So here is part 2 of the kitchen build we're doing. We pretty much have this thing all framed out, ready to go. It's ready to be prepped up to get sprayed with the bed liner. We've pretty much, as the last video we told you guys, we skipped through on this one of all the cutting and measuring. This is really just custom built for the appliances I have, the cooler I'm using and the stovetop I'm using. I did look up some additional equipment in case I ever replace some of this. So I made this pull-out drawer large enough for a ARB fridge. I made the top big enough for pretty much any Coleman or camping double burner. So yesterday we had this all assembled and placed onto the sliders that are tucked away in here. These are from Ovis online. They're about 180 bucks shipped. They are 44 inches long and can hold up to 500 pounds. So these worked out really well. There's virtually no playing them when you have this all assembled. This thing probably weighs, I don't know, maybe 100 pounds as is. They could hold up to 500, so it's really no problem. Even with the cooler fully filled, it's not going to be any issue. This thing actually right here slides out, so you can access this. So that's on a set of sliders itself, shown right here. Those are actually just normal sliders you could get at Lowe's or Home Depot or online. They can hold 100 pounds if I need to, because I think it's holding the weight fine even from what we've tested out. But if it starts to wear down over time, I'll either buy a beefier set of hinges or build this trim piece up and put 2 sets of them, so that way it should be rated for at least 200 pounds. So that's pretty much how this thing works. It's pretty cool. This, we made it so it could just tuck away and fold up and be assembled that quick. We're going to have a permanent gas line drilled through right about here where that line comes in, and we'll just keep a propane tank in there and a couple spares. We'll probably keep all our dry food in here. Because of where this is located too, it's easy access to the main door on our trailer too. So if we need to get right into here, we could store stuff right in there as well. So check back. I guess this is part 2 of our video. Check back. The next video you'll probably see is either the bed liner all sprayed probably, and maybe everything all assembled back together. Keep following, guys. Thanks a lot.